Greetings everyone, this is Tom from RedHaven Paranormal, and I join you this evening in honor to bring you the next installment of the Star Wars actors, which is Peter Mayhew, our favorite Wookie Chewbacca. Now, Peter Mayhew was an honorary member of the 501st fan club. They gave him a walking stick in the form of a lightsaber and that he used quite reverently. I thank you all for joining me. May the Force be with you. And also remember, let's save the Force Kashyyyk. If you like this video, if you get anything out of this video, any entertainment, please hit that thumbs up. Also, remember, if you enjoy the content that I put out there, I welcome you to subscribe. I welcome you to subscribe. And I welcome all the new people who have subscribed. I'm getting tongue-tied. And I want to thank everybody who has subscribed already. Thank you very much for making my channel grow and for sharing this content out there. Remember to hit that notification bell so that you can be updated on all new videos coming out. So with that being said, tonight's video I will be using the Necrophonic app to contact him, and also be trying to run the miracle box that Keith Welden and Steve Huff have just put out. I'm still working on it, still trying to figure everything out on it. So with that being said, let's dive into this session. Spirits, I'm going to try to contact the late actor Peter Mayhew, Peter William Mayhew. If you can guide him towards me, please, so that I might be able to communicate with him, I would greatly appreciate it. Mr. Mayhew, can you hear me, sir? Mr. Mayhew. You were an actor, an author, you worked in television and films. You wrote 2 children's books. Your most notable role was playing Chewbacca in 5 of the episodes. It was said that you got the part of Chewbacca as soon as you stood up to greet George Lucas. Is this true, sir? I welcome you in, sir. My name is Tom, and I welcome you in to communicate with me. I mean no disrespect to you. You can speak. Use this device that I have in front of me, this app. You are one of the most beloved characters in Star Wars. You starred in, like I said, all 5 of the... You starred in 5 of the episodes from Star Wars, and you also starred in the holiday special. Is that correct? Where they took you to Kashyyyk for the holiday. Some say that that TV special was George Lucas kind of regretted making it. Did you? Did you enjoy working with the stars? David Prowse, Carrie Fisher, Harrison Ford, Mark Hamill, Kenny Baker, Anthony Downs. Can you, do you mind if I call you Peter? You say that you were the closest thing to a real Wookie for gentle kindness. And you never, they always let you win. Alright, sir, I'm going to stop this. I'm going to try another app. Okay, so if you would please hold on. Okay, we'll be running the Miracle Box. Peter Mayhew, can you hear me? Sir, can you understand me through this device? Did you enjoy playing Chewbacca? Do you have anything to say to your family? Do you see any of the other actors up there that you were with? Do you see David Prowse? Or do you see Carrie Fisher? How about Kenny Baker? You don't have any problems walking anymore, do you, sir? I'm glad that there's no more pain. What's it like in heaven? You're free to use any energy in here, sir, to communicate with. I want to thank the spirits for helping you to come through and using any energy. Okay, sir, at the count of 3, I'm going to end this session. If you have anything to say, sir, please say it. 3, 2, 1. I thank you, sir, and I thank the spirits for helping. Thank you very much, Mr. Mayhew. Goodbye. Goodbye. And with that, everybody, that was the late Peter William Mayhew that I tried to communicate with, and I hope that I did. Remember, everybody, to check out and see what the replies were. I, again, thank everybody for joining me on tonight's session. I also want to thank all the subscribers again for joining, and I welcome all the new ones. Remember, everybody has something to say. Living in the dead, all we need to do is learn to listen. Leave your comments below, and remember to hit that like button. So until next time, this is Tom from RedHaven Paranormal, saying thank you very much, and you will like this video.